Right, yeah, welcome back again. Now we want to go further and look at a scatter plot. Scatter plot is a very powerful plot, and then we are not going to we waste too much time. So we're going to just go straight to the point. You see around our initial ggplot. Okay, to understand this ones, you can just check uh, the previous plots that we started with. Okay, so that is you can. So I've already attached my penguin. Okay, so now when you are dealing with plot, we have two numerical variables in scatter plot. I want to start with that. All right, so a scatter plot is probably the most commonly used plot for visualizing the relationship between two numerical variables. Most importantly, continuous numerical variables. The continuous variable is the one that has that are measurable. All right, like we have length, we have width, we have mass, we have, and the rest of them, they are continuous variables. So we're going to be looking at this one later, but at least let us just understand how to plot here first. Now, we have two numerical variable x-axis and y-axis. We want to see how we can visualize it using uh, scatter plot. It's a very, very powerful plot. So here we just pass our, you can just pass your, what do you call it now, your data set here, penguin, then your static x-axis, s is equal to here, flipper.length, y, you can swap, no problem, because you are dealing with scatter plot, so there's no problem. You can swap. So then you go to your geo points. Okay, so let me just okay. Now, so we can see everything clearly now. So if you run this line of code, for example, now run this line, you can see your plot here. Okay, don't mind the warnings. Okay, so you can see your plot here. You can see this body, this flipper length. You can see there's basically a form of correlation between two of them. Right. This is just a with one with two numerical variables now. These two numerical variables, right? But there's nothing introduced just to show how to plot the scatter plot using ggplot. Now you can also do two numerical variables with a categorical variable now. So you're now expanding your plot. Maybe you want to introduce a question in your research. Maybe what is the relationship between flipper length and body mass of this penguin, taking into consideration the species. So if you take species to consideration, it means that you have to color by species so that you can see how they all uh, run together. So now we are still going to pass in our ggplot as usual. See the same thing, just say that I go to penguin, you can just put penguin here, no problem. It still works, same thing. So you can map our IAC, you don't need to map, can also so IAS directly, go to flipper length Iceland, so then plus 0 points. What the difference is, you color by species, right? So let me just say species. So here I'll come back and I'll change to island later, don't worry, so that you can see the difference. So we now call our geo points here. So just plus geo points here, then you can see that it will give us a color. You can see now we have a species here. Okay, then we have our, you can see the color here is blue. We have gen 2 here. We have a mixture of Adelie and the chain strap here mixed together in the, so you can also change the color to island, for example. All right, so you can see the difference between the two. You can see island here. So you can see island, you can see Bisco Island of the, we have this. We can see that Dream Island and the Togasian Island are also mixed together here. So this is how you can do a box plot. You can see here, you can zoom out. So you can also increase the points. Okay, increase the points. You can give the point bigger size. Okay, and you can call it a size. Just type size equals to 3. Can make it point bigger. Okay, just make it very small. Okay? For example, if I say size, for example, here equals to 3, for example, that should be able to do the work for me. All right, you can see. So I increase the point here. So I zoom. You can see better now. Okay. So that is how to undo that. So it's as simple as that. So you can change the title to whatever you like, and title here all over and put the title on top of it. Okay, that's not a problem. So this is just how to plot a ggplot. So now we will specify that we want to draw the line of best fit on a linear model with a method linear model. So you can just say maybe you want to specify here now. Okay, don't forget I didn't post. I say you can post as later. Don't worry. So we see I say column by species now. They want to add your point. Now say want to smooth by linear model. So that will give us the error. Okay. So I'm trying to do smoothing now. You can see. So when I do smoothing here, you can see that we have this, we have this, we have this. But I don't really like the way it looks like this. Okay. But we can still do better since we want point to be colored based on species, but we don't want the lines to be separated out for them. We should specify color equal to species for gem point on a ggplot. So instead of that, we just come here, we just say mapping a aesthetic color species so that it will just give us one line. That's what we want to see, not breaking the line to three for us. So let's run this line now and see what I'm talking about. We set our standard error to false. Okay, this standard error now showing this ones. All right, so you can run. All right, so now we have this. Now we have only one line. Okay, so don't forget you can see increase the size of your points. Make it bigger. Don't forget that. So we have the structure. So we have the line across the. This is called a linear model. Okay, so this is a way how we plot this kind of this thing. So it will make your work very clean and neat. All right. So I will see further do more on this later in the part 2 of the scatter plot, where we go to see some advanced plots. So I will see us in the next class. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any question, you can post it in your listening. So don't mind the warnings. Those warnings are just normal warnings sometimes. So you can just ignore them. All right. So that is that for today.